I just want to be raw and real. I want to show you what it's really like to be a content creator and how I've built that from literally the bottom up. I'm still a little camera shy and I'm still finding my voice. I'm very much new to this. I'm maybe like a month in. I currently have 10 subscribers, which I'm like super excited about. Yeah, I'm excited. I've got a goal for 100 followers by the end of this quarter, and really just making sure that I put out quality content, things that help people. Side note, I'm also learning to balance this content creation lifestyle, balancing pushing out a maximum amount of content and nurturing myself, still feeding myself, still remaining present in my body, still doing things that I love to do outside of building this lifestyle. So it's interesting, and I'm so glad that I can bring you all along with this journey that I'm on. So here I am. I'm so glad that you are here with me on this journey, and I thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your love and support.